Alright guys, so what I'm going to do in this video here is show you guys how this truck looks now that the sun has gone down, baby. Let's go. Let's check it out. So look at these parking lights, man. They look amazing. You know, we hook these up to the parking lights. We mounted the fronts, hook them up to the parking lights. We've done the back emblems to the parking light. Now it lights up at night. But what I really want to show you guys is this Starlight kit. This is 1,000 stars with 420 shooting stars. You can see the shooting stars are just separate from those there. We don't cover the visors. But you can see how nice that looks. You can change the color. So whatever you prefer. Looks really good. All the way around. All right, that's that. Check out the next show. But this is what I want to really show you. The ambient lighting kit.